Hello guys and girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you my number one entry trading strategy that keeps making me winning trades from time to time. I have been using this strategy for more than 5 years right now, and it's about time that I share this secret strategy with you. If you're new to trading or both advanced in trading, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch it until the end so that you never miss any of the information that I will provide for you in this video. Now this strategy, it is known as the liquidity engineering. I'm going to explain to you first what it is liquidity engineering in the most layman terms for you to understand. It is of my knowledge that a lot of people, when they come to trading first, they come aware of this knowledge of support and resistance. Support and resistance are the kind of knowledge that all traders, whenever they come to trading, at first glance they are being taught support and resistance, and it is no secret that most of the traders are being taught to sell resistance and buy support. Like, okay, after 2 touches then this becomes a very resistance, and they're being taught on the 3rd touch they are to enter their sell positions if the price comes to a resistance. Now this is the information that lots of traders, or I can say all traders in the world, they have been taught. Now this thing, when it occurs in the market, the institutional traders or the big banks traders or the big sharks, they know that they have been taught you that you should buy support and sell resistance. Now what they do is, when the market comes again to this kind of levels, it closes above this zone before playing out. Now these things that it does occur right here, it is known as the liquidity engineering. Like, people have been liquidated. Now how can you spot these kinds of liquidity engineering levels so that when you come to trading, you will always know how to trade them properly for you to keep winning? Now here is how we do it. First of all, you have to know that you won't know if this area will occur liquidity engineered levels until they occur first. They have to occur first so that you can say, okay, here it is where liquidity engineered level has taken place. Alright, now after identifying the areas of proper liquidity engineering have taken place, it is when you will wait for the market to come back to that point of liquidity engineering for you to enter your trades. I've used for a case of supports and resistance, but they occur even on those cases of higher highs and higher lows. Let me give you an example of this trade that I've shown you on the screen of volatility 25 index. Now you can see on volatility 25 index right here, the price did come to our area of liquidity engineer level right here. Like, people were expecting for the market to respect this resistance level right here, because you can see we have already 2 touches. So most of the people were expecting on the 3rd touch this level could have been a very powerful resistance level for them to sell. So what they did here, the market did close above this zone, taking out all the stop losses levels of those guys who were hoping to sell this level. So us who would not trade support and resistance, trading support and resistance is really profitable. So at this case, we came to the market and we said, okay, here it is where liquidation has taken place. Here it is where a business was conducted. A lot of stop loss orders from retail traders were being hit on this point. So what we did, we said, okay, we are waiting for the market to come back to this area of liquidity before playing out. And guys and girls, all these trades were shared on my Telegram group. If you want to join my live trading group, you can join by clicking the link in the description below. Thank you. Now getting back to our video, this kind of same scenario did occur also on this pair of volatility 25 1S index right now today, and we did take this trade today on the Telegram. If again you want to join the Telegram group, the link can be found in the description below. Now we observed that this market, as it was moving in an uptrend, okay, as it was moving in an uptrend, there was a liquidity area right here. This is a point where the market did make a turn. That means all those guys who were hoping to continue to sell this downtrend movement right here, it is a point where they had been liquidated. Lots of sellers who were hoping to sell this downtrend market had been liquidated, and the market made a turn. So at this point, what we did is we identified the area where the source of the turning point of the market was, and here was the source of the turning point of the market, and here is a point where liquidity engineering level did take place. As usual, all those guys we are hoping to say, okay, this market is going in an uptrend right now. All those guys having FOMO, fear of missing out, probably they were entering random buy trades at this point. So at this point where orders were enough, the market said, okay, let me liquidate all these buyers who were hoping to continue to ride this uptrend movement due to fear of missing out. But since you are a member and you are a subscriber of Forex Clubhouse, you know once the liquidity engineer level has occurred, the price will always come towards an area of liquidity engineering levels. Because why? Because that's the price where business transaction has taken place. And what we did is we waited patiently until the market came to this point by having our buy limit orders. And the funny thing about this is the market did try to test our patience on this point. Let me change back to the candlestick. You can see the way the market did came. At first the market did came with this wick right here. Here's where our orders were. You can see the market came to this point, our orders were not triggered, and the market went back up. But we said, okay, here it's our edge, here is our strategy. We did not, people were asking me on my inbox, sir, our orders were not triggered, what should we do? Should we enter random trade? I said no, keep your buy limit orders exactly to where they are, and it paid out. You can see the market came back to our orders and eventually paid out. Now at this point you can see we have already a shift of the market right here. So at this point all of our orders will have been closed already due to this shift of the market right here. Now some people may keep asking me, what if we have those ascending channels? Well, let me give you this as short education. Support and resistance levels, they do not necessarily mean they have to be the horizontal lines of this way. Okay, I know this is ideally what people teach you of support and resistance, but even if the market moves like this, these are just inclined trend lines. These are also support and resistance levels. So whenever, even if liquidity engineer levels they form on these kinds of support, just know that the same concept applies for you to enter into your trade. Guys and girls, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. If you have enjoyed this channel, this education that I'm providing, please consider subscribing to this video and like this video. I hope to see you in the next coming videos. Bye bye, and I wish you the best.